Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to do my two Ipsy bags. I have all 6 of my add-ons. I did quickly check to make sure my add-ons were in there. As some of you may know, I've had some issues with Ipsy in the last few months, so they promised to send me an extra item, so I'm kind of excited to see if they did. I kind of am surprised that it's here so early, especially with the add-ons. I know we're having a lot of issues with the shipping and the delays and so forth. I'm wondering if my bags are going to be what I said I was supposed to get, because last month I had that issue and then they sent me just the replacement, no other products, no bag, nothing like that. So I've got them both here. So let's get to unboxing them. Just before I do that, actually, I'm going to mention that Ipsy is $10 American a month, and it's $5 extra to ship to Canada, so it makes it about $20 Canadian for it. It does come monthly, and if you use my link, I do get the points, about 250 points to use in the charm room. My link is down below if you decide to try it. I think it's one of my favorite subscriptions, except for with this slight issues that I've had. Otherwise, I have to say I like this bag. I like the new customization. I find that both this month the items were a hit for me in my spoilers, and the add-ons were superb. I really liked the add-ons. I do wish there was some more. I know I was hoping for to try the Paris Hilton DNA cleanser, but it wasn't available. And there was something, the It cosmetic brush. It wasn't available for us to buy, which was kind of sad, but I did snag 3 add-ons with one bag and 3 add-ons with the other bag. So let's see what I got from my add-ons. I think this is my main sub, so this is the one I had for years. So here's the bag. So we'll get into the bag in just a moment. I just want to see what my add-ons were. Let's see here. Okay, so, whoops. Of course I dropped that. The first item I see are the add-ons. So one is a red fruit brightening mask, solutions for uneven skin tone, dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. And the other one is a broccoli pumping mask. So those are my add-ons. I believe these were actually $3, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, 2 masks for $3, I can't complain about that. The next item I got was Apto Skincare Nourishing Mask, Blue Spirulina, I believe that is, face dry skin types. I do not have dry skin, but I will use this anyway. Kind of it's hit and miss with my skin. It goes from being dry to oily, but I will try this. I love face masks. So the last item I got was the Seraphine Botanicals Berry and Juice. Was it? I believe it's just a lip gloss. I'm not going to try this on because I do have quite a few that I've been using, and I like to, there it is there. If I don't necessarily like it, I might put it in the giveaway, but I do like the color of it. It's kind of like a nice pink. It's called a Rose Currant. I find that I'm actually reaching for the Afra Monaco that we got in Boxy last month or the month before, and I'm loving it. I love the formula. I love the shade. So I believe this is actually my add-on is the Hanalei lip treatment, which is absolutely amazing. I love this stuff. I got it as a mistake in one of my other Ipsy bags. Sorry guys, like, oh, my nose, it just starts running. And I take it to work, and I've used it there a few times. The only thing is it's really glittery, and I don't normally wear makeup. I do work in a factory, and I work back in the paint booth, so I've kind of, will probably bring that home and start using it around the house, because then it doesn't really matter so much. Nobody sees me, but I do like it. I will be wearing it out. So this will be my backup. I'm super excited about that. I believe that's my extra that the customer service promised me. So one of the items I was promised to get is the Visanti, I believe it's the contour eyeshadow. I am thrilled about this. I have the concealer from Visante. I love it. They also have a microdermabrasion. One of my favorite. I have stocked up on it from FunFitFab. I have bought a couple off of people. It is one of my absolute favorite microdermabrasions. So in here, I got my little card. This is Build Your Dream Bag every month, Glam Bay products every month on the 2nd starting at 6 a.m. You have a chance to snag your add-ons. So I don't believe, no, it doesn't give me prices. So I mean, even for $10, brushes are usually more than that. This one is nice and it's really, really soft. So the other item I got is the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye. Now I got one probably about a year ago. I still have it. This stuff lasts forever. So I don't know if I got this one. This is full coverage anti-aging, which is great because, you know, I'm getting there. It looks like a small tube, but this small tube will last you forever. So I will be using that. So there's 2 items in my bag. Absolutely love. The next item is the Sharp Tarte Shape Tape Base Tape Hydrating Primer Base. I am thrilled with that. I really wanted to try that. That's enough for a couple uses to find out if you really, really like it. It's perfect for your travel bag. So there's 3 items of my 5. So this is the one item I did get to pick because they did lose my bag, and then they lost the replacement bag, and then I got the original bag, and then the replacement bag was no add-ons, and it was such a mess. So I got the Fun Face Cleanser. Apparently I can't speak today. Apparently. This is bergamot, jasmine, and cedarwood for all skin types. It's from MALP or Amalpum. This is not tested on animals, made in Israel, manufactured and distributed for... Okay, so let's see if it probably has a safety seal on it, but doesn't... Oh, it has kind of a nice woodsy smell. I'm excited to use that. I love cleansers. I love face packs and cleansers. So there's another item. And I did get to choose that one, so I am thrilled with it. So the last item, the least, is the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain. So, I wonder if this was Namaste. For a light berry stain, apply one coat using your finger. Want more color? Don't be afraid to layer it on. Alright, there we go. So that's actually a really nice pink. Ooh. I think I will be adding that to my rotation. That is really, really nice. So there's 5 items. I kind of like the bag. I wasn't sure on the lemons, but it is kind of nice. It's kind of summery. I do like that. Okay, so those are the items from my main bag. I'm just going to toss it on the ground. So here is, now I ordered 3 full-size add-ons with this one. So let's see what I got. Okay, so that's everything out of the bag. So the first item I got, I actually snagged both Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lip sticks. They're kind of more of a brown than I suspected they were going to be. I didn't really look at them before I bought them because I was just in such a hurry. It was 6 o'clock, 7. It was 7:30 in the morning here for me, and I was at work, so I kind of snuck into the bathroom. Well, I was already actually in the bathroom. So that one's really, really pretty, actually. I like it. It's like a nice brown pink. I think I might be able to actually pull that one off. It's very nude, I guess, for me. So the other one is a darker one. I do have like the lip topper, so I want to play with this look a little bit. There's the other one. So that one is Girlfriend, and the one before it was Crush. So Crush I really, really like. The Girlfriend, I might actually part with that one. Maybe, you know, I did pay $12 for them, but they are worth $23 Canadian. So I wish it could have been $3, but they weren't. So then I picked up this one. I am not for fun colors or happy colors, but I saw this and I was just like, oh, this is so pretty. I just wanted it just to have it. So this was $12, and look at those colors. Like, those are just gorgeous. I was looking at some of the swatches and stuff like that, and like, they're just beautiful. They just called to me. I had to get them. I definitely will be using this. I believe the bottom two are highlighters. It doesn't really say there. Oh, there we go. So, with much love, I present to you Moods, a palette that defines who I am on one hand, sweet and feminine, on the other hand, strong and determined. I name the tones of this palette using emojis, which is our form of global expression. So visual that it breaks the language barrier. I want you to have a bit of love in your makeup kit. Okay, so that's interesting. So let's see here. Just do that pink. Oh, and of course I dropped the brush, and I believe I went under my chair. Yep. And I forgot the brush was in there. So let's see here. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't really do a dark swatch because, whoa, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna do this purple. How gorgeous is that? I'm sorry if you can't see that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And this teal, oh. Oh. I am definitely going to have to play with this in this green, even though I don't like green. That is gorgeous. Look at those three colors all together. See, this brown is a, like those, that's not even like, I really like this brush too. Let's see here. Oh, these are so soft, so creamy. Oh, you can't see that. Go to this. Oh, look at that one. It's got a nice iridescent pink to it. Oh. Okay, so that is definitely a win for me. I am thrilled with that. Now, I did buy that for $12 American, which makes it to be about $14 or $15. I got some. Oops. Just pop it on my pants. I gotta remember to bring over some wipes. Okay, so, well, that's a little disheartening. Ipsy. I'll probably give those a wash and see if I can't straighten it out. I do like the firmer brushes. I believe I got the blush brush that I use all the time. So this is the contour, and I do have. So anyway, this is the firmer brush. So this is definitely a plus for me. I like that brush. I do not like how it was packed. So again, the same bag. I did get the pink. I believe it was the rose gold. Let's see here. Yes, I got that one, which should be the same as this one. I wonder. It kind of looks like it's a little different, but I don't imagine that it would be. No, it is the same one. So I will, I'm not sure if I have this on a trade or not. If I don't, I will put this in a giveaway. So that's definitely a like for me, but I did buy the full size, so it's not necessarily their fault. So I got another lip balm, but it is in a different color of the balm. Again, I actually don't mind that. That's got a nice shimmer to it. It is that top color there. That is a nice color. So that's not a bad win, or a bad choice for me. I did get the 111 Skin Theorem Repair Serum, which is a huge bonus for me. I do love this kind of stuff. And then I got the Shape Tape again, which, hey, you can never have too much base, right? Am I right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? Oh, 5. Okay, yeah. So there's one bag, and I would say that's a 5 out of 5 for me. This is a perfect color for me. If I didn't already upgrade, I would definitely love this. My second bag, let's see here. Do I knock anything over? Oops. 1, 2, 3. What else did I get? 4, 5. Again, all me, all the stuff I will use. I am definitely thrilled with that. My add-ons I absolutely love. I've got everything everywhere. Thank you for watching. Leave a comments below what you're looking forward to getting. If you got your bag, if you haven't yet, what you're looking forward to getting in your Ipsy bag. And yeah, stay tuned. I do have my 500 subscriber giveaway going on, so if you can go over there, like that video, comment, share for me, that'd be great. I'm 11 people right now away from doing that giveaway, so I'm hoping I can get it done before the end of April. Right now, I noticed you probably noticed my dog hasn't been wandering around. She is sick again right now, so she is off at the vet's. I am hoping to have her back in the next couple of days, so keep your fingers crossed for her, and send her your love for me. Thanks for watching.